Number 1.
1984 Toyota pickup, price $4,900, equipped with Toyota's dependable 22-or gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. With 165,000 miles on the odometer, the truck remains in good overall condition and has clearly been well cared for over the years. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior with a clean tan interior, it presents well and maintains the classic character that has made these vintage Toyota pickups so popular among enthusiasts. The truck runs and drives well, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic pickup that can still be enjoyed on a regular basis. Its original interior remains intact and serves as a testament to the care and attention it has received throughout its life. The cabin shows the kind of preservation that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in trucks of this age.
Number 2.
1992 GMC Sonoma, price $8,750. Powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup has approximately 300,000 miles on the odometer and has been well cared for throughout its life. The truck has been a lot of fun to own and drive, and it has benefited from extensive restoration work over the years. Much of the vehicle has been restored, making it a solid and attractive example of a classic Sonoma.
While the interior does show some signs of age, it remains largely intact and presents well overall.
With a refreshed seat and new carpeting, the interior could be brought to an even higher standard. Overall, this is a very nice truck that can be enjoyed exactly as it sits today or taken to the next level with a few cosmetic updates.
Number 3.
2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,000. This truck is powered by a strong 5.9L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and features a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It has 206,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. Finished in red with a gray interior, this truck has been smogged and runs great. It is equipped with good tires and good brakes, making it a dependable choice for daily driving, towing a boat, or hauling a small trailer. The seats are in good condition with no rips, and a Carfax report is available. As for its condition, the truck shows normal signs of use for its age, including a few dings and dents, with the most noticeable damage being on the passenger side and front bumper.
However, the overall appearance remains attractive, and the paint still presents nicely. Overall, this is a solid, well-running Dodge Ram 1500 that offers reliable performance and excellent utility. Number 4.
1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,800, well-maintained long-wheelbase pickup featuring an 8-foot bed, quad cab configuration, and a dependable 5.2L Magnum V8 engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has accumulated 367,000 miles and is finished in gray with a blue interior. It runs on gasoline and has benefited from significant maintenance and upgrades over the years. The current owner special ordered the truck new in 1997, and the original window sticker still bears their name. The truck has received professional bodywork and paint, along with a new clutch and recent air conditioning service. The seats remain in excellent condition, having been covered throughout their life, and it is equipped with a brand new set of tires. This Ram represents a solid and well-cared-for example of a classic Dodge pickup, combining practicality, history, and proven durability.
Number 5.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,500, powered by a reliable 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. With 149,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives well and features an electronic 4x4 system with both 4HI and 4LO modes for added capability on and off the road. Finished in red with a clean tan interior, this Ranger has been carefully maintained throughout its life. It comes equipped with working air conditioning, which is uncommon on many Rangers of this era, and the heater operates properly with strong heat output. The truck retains its simple, dependable setup with manual windows, manual locks, and manual mirrors. While riding on a nice set of BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, the interior and exterior are both exceptionally clean, and the frame and floor pans are completely solid with no rust issues. Recent maintenance completed on April 2, 2026, includes a new battery, brake pads, rotors, drums, and brake shoes.
Number 6.
2001 Toyota Tundra, price $8,500, features a gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and shows 192,000 miles on the odometer. It has a white exterior with a tan interior and is equipped with a functioning 4x4 system. The truck runs and drives reliably, with fully working heat, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and cruise control.
It is clean inside and out, rides on newer Toyota alloy wheels, and includes a touchscreen stereo.
Recent maintenance includes a full synthetic oil change, new battery, power steering pump, steering rack, and front-end alignment. Known issues include a cracked windshield and an odometer discrepancy reported by Carfax, which suggests the actual mileage may be over 300,000 miles. Despite this, the truck remains a dependable and capable pickup with a strong reputation for durability.
Number 7.
2000 Ford F-250, price $9,500, showing 277,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, a gold exterior, and a tan interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. The truck is powered by a durable diesel engine that starts easily, runs well, and delivers the reliability these F-250 models are known for. According to the seller, the truck is in good running condition, and the four-wheel drive system operates properly, making it suitable for a variety of driving conditions, whether on the road, at the job site, or on rough terrain. As expected for a truck of its age and mileage, it does show some cosmetic wear. There is a minor blemish on one of the seats inside the cabin, and the exterior has some clear coat wear in certain areas.
However, there is no major damage reported, and the truck remains presentable overall. Number 8.
1995 Ford F-150, price $8,000. This truck is a clean, rust-free short bed 4x4 that was brought from South Carolina a few months ago. It is powered by the reliable 4.9L inline-six engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, offering a classic driving experience and dependable performance.
The truck shows 220,000 miles on the odometer and features a blue exterior with a well-kept interior.
Known for its durability, this F-150 has been maintained in very clean condition and remains a solid example of Ford's legendary OBS pickup trucks. Its rust-free body, desirable short bed configuration, and four-wheel drive capability make it an excellent choice for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a dependable classic pickup.
Number 9.
1976 Dodge D250, price $6,500, powered by a 360 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. Showing approximately 92,000 miles, it starts easily and runs well. Finished in white with a blue interior, this truck has been well suited for demanding work and features 8-lug heavy-duty wheels for added durability and hauling capability. According to the seller, it would make an excellent truck for water hauling or other heavy-duty applications. The water tanks can be included if desired, and the canopy is also available with the truck. Overall, this Dodge D250 offers a strong running drivetrain, rugged construction, and practical utility, making it a great option for anyone looking for a dependable vintage work truck.
Number 10.
1996 Dodge Ram 3500, price $5,995. This truck is powered by the legendary 12-valve Cummins turbo diesel engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Showing 264,000 miles, this two-wheel drive dually runs and shifts well, making it a solid work truck or diesel project. Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck features aftermarket pillar gauges and an aftermarket fuel plate for improved performance. The drivetrain remains strong, and the truck continues to deliver the reliability and torque that Cummins-powered Rams are known for. The exterior does have rust underneath the doors, and the interior is in rough condition, but the truck remains mechanically sound and ready for its next owner.